This is Santesh Kalada from Kalada Academy. So today in this video, I'll show you how you can convert your images into videos. Not that alone. I'll also show you how you can give a text prompt and convert it into a video. So for this, we'll be using a tool called LumaLabs. Anyway, I'll give you a link to this LumaLabs in the description below. So this tool is called LumaLabs. They do have a free version, and whatever videos that I'm going to show you, I will be showing with the free version only. So just go to this website called lumalabs.ai and click on try now, and you will be asked to register an account. So you need to register an account first. In my case, I already have an account. So I'll just click on this try now, and once you click on try now, you will be greeted with a screen like this. Okay, so here, as you can see, there is a message here: due to high demand, we are temporarily limiting free trials to 20 generations per day. Okay, so each video is somewhere around 5 to 10 seconds, and yeah, even though they're telling 20 generations per day, when I created an account, I was able to get some 30 per day. Okay, and see, that is more than enough for you for all your marketing activities. So I'll just show you some of my videos that I have created. So this is a meme that I'm sure almost all of you have seen. I've just uploaded the image and this is the video that it has created. Again, I did not give any kind of text prompt along with this. So that's the reason it's not perfect, but still it is good. See, I just uploaded a very basic image and I got this. Okay. This person moving. So that is one thing. And another thing, a Buddhist monk playing football with a golden retriever. The prompt was not good. So again, the output also not that good, but that is okay. Again, this shows that how important the prompting is. Okay. And another video, see here. This is something that where I have played with the prompt. Extreme close-up footage of a young sailor woman with a concerned expression during a rainstorm. Now see here. See, extreme. This is the video that it has created, and I'll show you one more thing. Here, see, what I did was I just uploaded an image of Taj Mahal. In fact, I'll show you the image that I uploaded. See, I just uploaded this image into Luma. Okay, and this is the prompt I gave. Fast FPV drone flying through a castle, beginning with an aerial view of the towering stone walls and turrets, and then gliding through an open window. And now see this. If I just click here, see, this is an absolute beauty, right? Going inside Taj Mahal and also the image that I uploaded was this. Okay, from that it is creating all this going inside the castle and all those details. So this can be used to create an entire movie. In fact, I think I have uploaded a video of a commercial for McDonald's created with a Luma only. So yeah, anyway, this is the tool. I'll just show you how it works. Now all you have to do is just give here a prompt. Okay, in fact, it is giving me already an idea for a prompt. Low angle shot of a majestic tiger prowling through a snow landscape, leaving paw prints on a blanket. Okay. So that is okay. Now see, now if I just click on submit button using this prompt, it will create a video. And if I do not want that, not that I do not want that, if I want, I can just upload an image also here. So image of a tiger. So with that tiger's image, it will be creating the video. In fact, I'll show you the example for that as well. Okay, all you have to do, in fact, I do not have, I'll just type here Indian Bengali tiger. This tiger kind of looks okay. In fact, I like this tiger more. Kind of looks much better. Now I'll save this image. Perfect. Now I'll go to Luma and I'll upload the tiger's image. Now all I have to do is just click on this particular button and it will actually create the video. Okay. So this video generation, especially if you are uploading some images and all, it might take some 4 to 5 minutes. Okay, so you need to keep that in mind. And this is see here. it will be showing a streaming. So do not worry, it will work. It will take sometimes, especially if you're uploading images and all, it might take some 4 to 5 minutes. So let's just give it 5 minutes and let's wait for it to finish creating this image. Actually created the video as well. See, yeah, this was the tiger's image we uploaded. Using this image, it has created this particular video. Now see here, the tiger is actually moving and we have given a snowy landscape and all. So once it is moving, see, snow is coming. In fact, let me zoom it and show you. Once it starts moving, all the snow and stuff starts coming. Of course, there are some shortcomings here and there, but again, this is a technology that is in the starting stage. Now itself, this is the quality that it's giving us. Now think of the quality this tool can give us maybe after 6 months of 1 year. There will be a time where people will create 100% AI based movies. I'm sure that that will be maybe here, maybe in the next 6 months or 1 year. Okay, so this is basically how you use the tool and to get proper outputs like this. See, earlier I showed you an example where this in this particular prompt, I was not getting a good quality video. See here, the quality of the video, it's not good. Okay, that was because the prompt that I gave was not good enough. I put this monk playing football with a golden retriever. So we need to like give the camera angles and those kind of stuff. Again, I'll show you. This is from the official documentation of LumaLabs. See, in general, to get the better results, be specific about camera motion. What kind of camera motion you want? If you do not know about camera motions, just search in Google for different camera motions. So that kind of camera motion you will get. Then action and motion. A teddy bear swimming with its arms and feet. So that is the action. So what should be there in our this particular prompt? See, where was it? See, in this particular prompt, we already gave the action. A fast FPV drone flying through a castle beginning with an aerial view. So all these details, see, the more specific we are, the better would be the output quality. So the action and motion should be specified. Then object features. So instead of this teddy bear, if you want it as a white teddy bear, you need to mention that here my tiger's color is yellow. If I want to change it, I need to give it as a white tiger. So those kind of details also you should give. So camera motion, actions and motion, object features, and setting and the background. So basically, what should be the background of that particular video? So if you give all these details, the output you get will be of better quality. Okay. So yeah, this is basically everything I want to show you in this video. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you found this useful. Now, if you want to learn more about how you can use AI to build and grow your business, I have the perfect solution for you. I'm offering a course called Advanced AI Certification Program where I teach working professionals and business people like you build and scale a business using the power of AI. Basically, I'll teach you how you can build an army of AI soldiers who work 24/7 for you. If you are interested in learning more, check out the link in the description.